Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eTrade using two-factor authentication. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with eTrade using two-factor authentication, first, open your web browser and go to the eTrade homepage. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. After entering your login credentials, click Login to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. Check your mobile device for the authentication request, which may come through an app or a text message. If you receive the code via an authentication app, open the app to find the latest verification code. For SMS verification, look for the text message from eTrade containing your code. Enter the verification code into the field provided on the eTrade login page. Once you've entered the code, click on the Submit button. If the code is correct, you will be logged into your eTrade account. In case you haven't received the code, click on the option to resend the verification code. Follow the prompts to receive a new code for authentication. Remember that verification codes are time-sensitive and may expire quickly. Once logged in, make sure to navigate to your account settings to review your two-factor authentication preferences. This ensures that your account remains secure and adheres to your preferred settings. You have successfully authenticated with eTrade using two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.